Yeah, and the biggest mistake we see is starting with a random use case just because it's cool. The better approach is to look at volumes, frictions, and business ownership. Where are customers or internal teams stack today, or onboarding claims, services requests, or diagnostics approvals? Those are great and actually the greatest candidates.
Yeah. So identifying the problems that your agentic systems should solve for you is, in fact, the first thing every business should do. So we usually work with leaders to map their use cases where AI agents can make an impact into a simple 2x2 matrix like the one you're seeing here. So here, this 2x2 matrix shows business impact versus implementation complexity. So you can map your various use cases on this 2x2 matrix.